The Lost Puppy. One sunny morning, Emma walked to the park near her house. The birds were singing and the flowers smelled sweet. She loved coming to the park because it was peaceful. But today, something was different. As Emma walked along the path, she heard a soft whimper. She looked around and saw a small brown puppy hiding under a bench. Puppy looked scared and hungry. Emma knelt down and spoke gently. "Hey there, little one. Are you lost?" Puppy wagged its tail but did not move closer. Emma slowly took out a piece of her sandwich and placed it on the ground. Puppy sniffed the food and ate it quickly. After a few minutes, Emma reached out her hand. Puppy hesitated but then licked her fingers. She smiled and gently picked it up. Puppy was light and shivered a little in her arms. Emma looked around the park. There was no one searching for a puppy. "You must belong to someone," she said. "I will help you find your home." She walked to the small shop near the park. The shopkeeper, an old man with kind eyes, saw the puppy and said, "Oh, I saw a poster about a lost puppy this morning. The owner must be worried." Emma felt happy. "Do you know where I can find the owner?" she asked. The shopkeeper nodded. "The poster is outside." "Let's check." Emma walked outside and found the poster on the wall. It had a picture of the puppy and a phone number. Puppy's name was Max. She took out her phone and called the number. A woman answered quickly. "Hello." "Hi. I think I found your puppy, Max," Emma said. The woman gasped. "Oh my! Where are you?" Emma told her the location, and in a few minutes a woman and a young boy arrived. The boy's eyes filled with tears when he saw the puppy. "Max!" he cried, running to Emma. Emma gently placed Max in the boy's arms. The puppy wagged its tail excitedly and licked the boy's face. "Thank you so much," the woman said. "We were very worried." Emma smiled. "I'm happy I could help." The boy looked at her and said, "You are very kind." "Thank you for bringing Max back." Emma waved goodbye as they walked away. She felt warm inside. Today was a good day. She had helped someone, and that made her heart feel light. As she walked home, she thought about Max and his family. She knew she would always remember this special day, the day she found the lost puppy. The end.